internationalization. When we look at the Zimbabwean manufacturing industry, we also have a full cycle where the manufacturing industry, and focusing on agro-processing in particular, we have the capabilities to provide inputs into the agriculture sector, agriculture equipment, various inputs into the agriculture production. We also have the capacity to process the output that is coming from the agriculture sector into value-added products, as you have seen in the Schweppes factory here today. So the industry is quite mature in the sense that we can supply agriculture, and agriculture in turn supplies manufacturing industry for processing. And I think at the height of our agriculture production, we were able to supply about 85% of agro-processing inputs from our local agriculture production. As a mature industry that has various and diversified products manufacturing capabilities, we are considered as the Zimbabwean economy as the second best potential beneficiary of the free trade area opportunity that is before us. And this recognizes that as we go into the CFTA, we do have to have goods and services to trade on the continent. And due to these capabilities, if they are supported by trade facilitation and various other enablers, we will be able to derive the second most benefits from the CFTA. I think it's equivalent to plus or minus 12% of GDP equivalent per year if we are to implement some trade facilitation and other business environment reforms. So the importance of this to the SADC region is that we are a good source of deriving manufacturing capabilities to supply the rest of the continent, and partnerships and investments across the borders or between the countries in the SADC region can also benefit from the capacities here. And Zimbabwean companies expanding into Botswana would also increase, I would say, Botswana's participation and both our countries' participation in the CFTA market opportunity. I also wanted to highlight one of the key capabilities that we have is we have also observed the rise of vertical integration in our agro-processing sector, where our agro-processors are increasingly participating in various nodes of the value chains, including primary production, which has given a rise to corporate farming in order to supply raw materials into agro-processing or agro-based value addition. This is of particular importance in that as experienced processors of agriculture products, the manufacturing entities in Zimbabwe have a good input to give to primary production in terms of the advanced technologies and methodologies, including advancements in the products that are coming out of primary production. This also helps to expand the primary production base and the raw material production base, which can expand in Zimbabwe and across the borders as Zimbabwean agro-processors can participate in primary production. And an example here is the citrus farming that we have identified with the Schweppes investment case that we have been presented with today. We also have large manufacturers, we have small and medium sized manufacturers, we have startups in manufacturing, and we are able to supply across the whole economy, across the borders. We are already exporting, so we are a highly capable manufacturing industry in Zimbabwe. And I believe that exploiting the potential that we have in terms of the growth potential, the expansion and internationalization potential into Botswana provides a good case for us to replicate as the manufacturing sector aims to expand into the rest of the SADC region as well as into the rest of Africa. So I was here just to highlight that we are a capable and a very good investment case. Thank you.